Okay, now when we don do and reach like this now, the application don dey make sense. So the next thing wey we go do now na to make am making the on the reason. If na morning on im own go know say na morning, then greet you good morning. If na afternoon, im go know say na afternoon, greet you afternoon. And if na night, im go know by himself, greet you night. So how computer go dey carry know that thing na wetin dem dey call date class. So wetin we go do be say we go store that date class inside, maybe just call am hours because we want to grab hours, equal to, since na class I go use the new keyword, then this is the date, this one here, right? Then inside the date I go look for another function wey go get the hours. Im go come carry the hours, come put am inside this our hours. But before we proceed, there's something I want us to correct, because you know say this one go take the name. After im take the name, im go return am for this function. So anywhere they call this function, im go come hide this container, so people no fit take name again. So that one for big problem. So make we change that one small. Wetin we go do be say make we make a name container outside the function. Then we will not make am making the return the name we go use later. We could just make am be say im go just assign the name, then put am for this variable, so that we fit dey use am for other of our code blocks. So wetin we go do be say we go change this one, this name here to set name. We change this one to set name. So when they don put the name inside, im go collect am, then put am for this set name. Then as im don put am for this set name now, right, we'll come carry this name here now, come put that set name inside this name. So this set name now go dey put am inside this name wey dey outside. So since this name wey dey outside na global variable, every other code blocks na fit use am. But if im dey inside there, na only inside this function im dey work. You understand? So now we don do am like this now. Wetin we go do be say, okay, this one dey okay, make now this one go be name, right? This one dey okay. So wetin we go come do be say everything here now go dey okay, right? Alright, so now the name fit dey set outside. Remember say before we do this correction, where we dey be say we don carry the hours put inside this variable. So the next thing wey we come do now be say we go make a condition wey go dey check whether na 12 o'clock o. If e dey below 12 o'clock na good morning. If e dey above between 12 and 5 o'clock na good evening. Then if e comot from 5 go down na good night. So na conditional statement wey we go use. So we go come use our if, then put the hours. Now if hours is less than 12 o'clock, so this is what you will do. Greet them good morning. So let me just copy this place now. Copy this. So I'm going to greet them good morning now. So let me just copy, because that is the same thing. So I'm going to greet them good morning. So now we'll come put another condition, else if. So if hours is greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 12, I won't get the range of afternoon. So afternoon na between 12 and hours less than, this is less than 17 is 5 o'clock if you are using the 24 hours format. I think 17 is 12 o'clock, so we'll put 17. That means between 12 and 5, right? So that is evening. So let us copy this now. So we'll copy and we'll paste down here, then change this one now to good evening. Then we'll call the person name good evening, right? So you get one emoji will be input. So we'll see put the emoji. So after this name, we'll concatenate the name with a string emoji, right? Okay, and put space so that you know will come back. All right. So we'll also do them here to concatenate them with a string emoji window dots period. Then I just want one, or we'll change and put something different, right? So we change them to afternoon. People they laugh well, so we just change them, make it laugh well. All right. So the other one now na night. So we can say else, right? So we still copy this, copy, right? Then we say good night. All right. So we don't complete the application. So the thing now go start to the check once whether na good morning. Now they say this undefined because we never put name. But if we now put name now, it's the submit. So then they work with the name. So if you do like this now, afternoon can reach, it go change this good morning to afternoon. But we know say we'll never change anything for this afternoon message. So we could see what that will add message, right? So for the afternoon now, this code block will be between 12 and 17. So what we go do is say we go we'll grab the message code block and start putting something inside. So we'll do query selector. So check the message class. The message class is class message container. Then this is the message. So people just give them an ID, start to use the message. So we'll figure out about for here. So it's an ID. So I will use my pound sign and grab it here. Then I want to change the message to something else in that HTML. I think the grid for afternoon self. I will say, okay, I hope your day. I hope say your. I hope say everything they cool. Everything they chilling. I hope say. I don't know anything to even say. I hope say everything they can be. Okay. Use can be. I don't know how to spell it. This is spelling can be. Okay. All right. Then for this one now, we'll change the message to for good night. We could change the message here for good night. So for good night, say well done, no. Sleep well, no. Okay. Well done, no. Make you sleep well, no. Okay. Then I'm going to put emoji for this one. I just put night. Something 90 nights. Alright. For this one now, we'll just put some sunshine here. Okay. Alright. So I think it's okay. Right? So this should work. But we can test it too. We can, because right now our time number reached 12, but we can, it's a way to use the dynamic. We can put this now to past 12 and see whether it will work. We're going to remove this dynamic to stuff and put 12. I'm going to put 13 and see what's going to happen. Okay, so I don't enter good evening. So name no day. So if I put the name now, Prince Lee. Say I'm good. You're supposed to say evening. They say good evening here. Okay, that function carries some things where they static. So this function carries something where they static. So we're supposed to more remove this. Now this one where they cost this one. Making just take the name. Making take the name now then come out. So if we don't do it like that now, sorry. So if we now say Prince Lee and submit. So you go say I'm a good evening, right? Good evening. But you say undefined. Why undefined? Why need they take a Prince Lee? Did we remove something there also? Okay, we remove all the stuff there. So after you don't set the name, so how we go do this one now? It's like we will put all these ones inside function, then call the function here. Now what we will do with that? So I don't know what we will call this function now. Say what we will call them? What I will call this function now? Waiting. Make we call the function update greeting. Okay, so we're going to carry all this our condition put inside. Okay, so what we will do, say after them take the name now, we're going to call that function here, update greeting, so that it will make sense. I'm going to check how our app done be now. So now you need to call the undefined again. So when I now say Prince Lee, right? So that problem done solve. So now I say good evening because I change them manually. I not use the date class, so I change them manually to 13. Now I make. So if I change them to 12, 12:10. No, it's nothing like 12:10. No. How did they put it down? Maybe no that format. If I change them now to 12, so we could check them. We now put sleep. You see, I'm so in say good evening because they check this condition now. So it's less than 12, right? You say good evening because this is greater than or equal to 12. So we will say good evening, right? Now yeah, we're in there now. So now we don't get this one done. We don't get the whole app done now. So we change them now, making they do dynamically. Okay, more do make it pass that make it pass evening. More put 18. Then see. Then we put the name. Prince Lee. Then we'll submit them now. So I'm going to say good night, Prince Lee. So now we don't know that everything they work. We go now put our application, make in they get the hour automatically, right? So call the date, inside the date we'll now get the hour. So we're not going to use our hand, they can't they change them. So we can get the hours automatically, right? All right, so we are done. So one more thing they go make this thing beautiful. More they change the background as they greet, making change the color so that we'll see small difference. So what we will do be say for inside this morning now we will leave the background to be that white, or morning we will just make morning sky blue now. Okay? So we will make inside this morning now, we'll change the background, query selector, we'll take the body, right, dot style dot background. So we'll go use we'll just use blue. No CSS B. So let me put the name Prince Lee. Alright. Okay, blue. So we'll change the text to white for here so that the thing will make sense. So we go still we'll just put this inside a container called body. So for this body now, we can cut this out and just apply it to the body. Then we also work on the body again. Style, now color will be white. So let's take a look. So let us put the name Prince Lee. Alright, so that means in the morning time it will be blue. Then afternoon, we'll make afternoon like maybe yellow or so, right? So what we'll do, we say we'll carry this one, copy everything here, then go for where the afternoon day. We'll put down, then change this one to yellow. Yellow they go with black, abi. Change this one to black. And we'll do the same thing for here. We go carry them like also like this. And we'll change this one to black and leave this one for white. So we are done. So make we just use manual one, check night, how night go be. So night go be after 17, so we'll put 18 now. Then we check, we'll put the name Prince Lee, right? So now so night on will come day. So we don't finish our application. So if I change them to 17, which is evening, so when we put name, okay, that is 17, so we'll put them for 16, okay, and put name afternoon, right? So something they say good afternoon, good evening for there, so I need to change it. Something will not change there. So for this evening, we're supposed to change this to, okay, good evening. They correct now. Good evening. So good evening. They correct. So, no, this is supposed to be good afternoon. Good afternoon. Alright, I'm gonna try one more time. Prince Lee for like 4 o'clock. Good afternoon, right? Then if na in the morning, maybe 11 down or 12 down, alright? So, no, if it's 12 in the afternoon, so let's say 11 down. So we put our name, submit. So you go say good morning, Prince Lee. So this is the app, right? So with this app now, as time change, as this our time don't change now, if I change them back to our dynamic one now, put our name, you see say go change them to afternoon. Go use this one, change them to afternoon. So more try them. So now afternoon don't reach now. See, we there for 12:00 sharp. So more we put Prince Lee and submit. You see in the before na morning, but see I say I no change them, I no hard code down. The thing the app don't dey work as it be. So if you check my GitHub, you go see this code. So my GitHub link is in the description of this video. So if you go there, you go see this code. So if you run the code, you will see say Ingo will do this thing way we just do now. So any comment, I beg, just put comments. Support this channel by writing comments. If you like the video, like am, comment, say something. If you want to ask question, put it in the comment. I will answer you. If you want me to teach you coding, I did very good in teaching. I will teach you. So thank you. I really appreciate and time to see this code for fun application we will just build. Next week or anytime this week, we will come again come build one other interesting application. Subscribe to my channel and I wish you a very wonderful day. Bye bye.